Good evening and welcome to DRM News. Here are the top stories making headlines today, January 5th, 2025. We begin in Florida, where Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni met with U.S. President-elect Donald Trump. Meloni, looking to strengthen ties before Trump's January 20th inauguration, discussed key issues such as Russia's war in Ukraine, trade, and the Middle East. The meeting also touched on the case of an Italian journalist detained in Tehran. Meloni, a strong conservative figure in Italy, is expected to be an important ally for Trump in his next term. Turning to the United Kingdom, the country woke up to severe winter weather today, with freezing temperatures and snow affecting much of central and northern England, as well as Wales. The UK's National Meteorological Service has issued amber weather warnings, forecasting sleet, heavy snow, and the risk of flooding in some areas. In addition, the thawing snow could turn into freezing rain, creating dangerously slippery road conditions. Airport runways at Manchester and Liverpool were temporarily closed, causing delays for travelers.
I'm grateful for this nomination. I'm grateful for this election, for the confidence this chamber has placed in me. And in these 2.5 centuries, we've been reminded repeatedly that freedom is never free. And we have stood tall as the greatest nation on the face of the earth. It is without debate. We are the freest, the most powerful, most benevolent nation that has ever been in the history of the world.
In Russia, a state of emergency has been declared in Crimea due to ongoing efforts to clean up an oil spill in the Black Sea. Following a storm on December 15th, 2 tankers were damaged, spilling over 2,600 tons of oil. Workers are currently removing contaminated sand and soil from the Kerch Strait, with nearly 95,000 tons of debris cleared so far. Despite Russia's controversial annexation of Crimea in 2014, the cleanup efforts are a major concern for the region. Thank you for joining us on DRM News. Stay tuned for more updates and stay safe and informed.